Hey pilots and aviation lovers, welcome to our channel where we motivate and inspire future aviators. My name is Kanu, you're watching Nima Pilot, the Pride of Liberia. Alright, today's video guys is going to be in 4 different series. This is my way of giving back to my student. We are flying on an aircraft with Garmin 650 and 750 unit in it, and I thought I could make this short video and send it to them, but I thought if I could post it on YouTube so that many more people can see it and learn from it. So I hope you learn something from it. So again, it's going to be in 4 parts, so that way we keep it short and sweet. The first part is when you turn on your avionics, what happens? This is where we start from. So you're not going to see this Garmin demo mode. Okay, this is just the app. So let me start from here. When you turn on your avionics, this is what you're gonna see. Okay, when you turn on the avionics master and the system boost, this page will be the first thing you see. So on this page, you're gonna see your database, okay, to see if it's current or not. In the rear unit, it's going to be yellow if it's expired. Okay, this one has been expired since last year, so let's pretend this is current. Okay, this is mostly for our instrument guys. Make sure this is current before you go and fly instrument in with this avionics unit. Okay, so we're going to start from here. We're going to click enter. All right, now on this page we're going to have the instrument panel self-test. Okay, again, this is for our instrument guys. Make sure your CDI and your LCDI and VCDI is lined up, okay, how it's supposed to be here. Now for us, for our student, for the private guys, this is what you're concerned with, the fuel on board. Now let me make it clear. This unit is not meant to track your fuel. This unit is not meant to replace your pre-flight your pre-flight check. Okay, make sure you visually check how much fuel you have on board the aircraft. You are just putting this number in here for situation awareness purposes. Okay, the system will try to keep track of when to switch fuel tank. Okay, and we're going to set that message later on. So now fuel on board, I'm going to click on it. You can choose to type in. For my student, we fly a Warrior 3 and usable fuel is 48 gallon. We can choose to type it in here 48 and hit enter. Or if it is tabs, if both tanks are on tab, each tank takes 17 when it's on tab, so both tanks will be 34. You could actually put 34 here. Okay, let me back it up. 34 here, and then hit enter. Now we can set it and have a shortcut. So you see on the bottom here, it has set 4 and tabs. If we click on it, we're going to see full fuel capacity and tab fuel tab capacity. Let's click on it. Now this is where you set your number. Okay, if you are not my student, if you're not flying a Piper Warrior 3, you're flying something that takes more tank, let's say for example 100, this is where you put 100 for 4 tank. Okay, and then you click on the tab. So for my student, we're going to type in 48 here, and this is one time, but you can verify that the person that said it well. So this is how they said it. You're gonna go enter. Tab, we say it was 48, 34, right? 17 plus 17, 34. And let's say one of your thing is at tab and one is below tab. You can say, okay, the one that is below tab, I know it's less than 17, so you can bring it to, let's say 15 plus 17, whatever the number is, you put it in here for tab. Okay, then we can go back. Now if we click 4, 48 comes in, and we click enter. Now fuel flow, The POH says mine fuel flow is fuel burn in cruise is about 8 point something. Okay, it doesn't tell me takeoff and all of this. So what I do is I do 11. Okay, I rather go with more number than less number. So 11 gallon per hour. Okay, again, this is just to remind you of situation awareness, how much fuel you have, but this is not a way of tracking your fuel. Okay, always make a solid flight planning. All right, so continued. Now this is the page we are on. Like I always tell you guys, do not let anything
TOS system test okay.
Okay, do not let anything blink at you for over 2 seconds. Go in there and investigate what is blinking at you. So let's click on here. It says schedule message, lunchtime, and okay, I said this message earlier, so we're gonna see how we set it later on. So now that message could be fuel tank switch. This is when you switch your tank. Okay, I set it for every 30 minutes. Okay guys, this is how we set up. There's go another message. Schedule message, lunchtime. Okay, good. All right guys, this is how we set up the system when we turn on our avionics master. All right, I will see you guys in the next section of this video, which will be going over the dials and buttons we use when we are operating this system. See ya in the next video.